Ready? Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, I think the Constitution Amendment Bill is wholly unconstitutional, and if passed, it will undoubtedly be set aside by the Supreme Court because it interferes with a basic feature of the Constitution. Such amendments of the Constitution are outside the jurisdiction of this House. The amendment process prescribed by the Constitution requires two-thirds majority and so on and so forth. That applies only to those amendments of the Constitution which do not touch the basic features of the Constitution as understood in the Keshwananda Bharati case. This constitutional amendment certainly interferes with a basic feature of the Indian Constitution, and it will not be sustained ever. But if it is said that even if you pass it, it will not be brought into force until a reference is made to the Supreme Court and the Supreme Court answers the question of the validity of this Constitution amendment in the affirmative. Sir, I must declare today that my conscience, undertaking, and my duty towards the people of this country do not permit me to submit to this kind of legislation. Both the bills, according to me, are evil. The evil, first of all, consists in the misleading statement of objects and reasons. You ought to have said with complete honesty that what you are trying to demolish is the collegium system. Some of the persons who have spoken on the assumption that that is the purpose of this particular piece of legislation. Sir, the first point that I propose to make is that the 1993 judgment of 9 judges is a judgment based upon the discovery of the basic feature of the Constitution and upon devising a system to sustain that basic feature. I have myself appeared in that litigation, and in a sense I claim to be the founder of the collegium system, but that does not mean that I am an unmixed admirer of the collegium system. The collegium system has some faults, but the collegium system came into existence on the basis of one main argument. That one main argument that we advance is that there is one article of the Constitution, Article 50 of the Constitution, which says that the government shall strive to keep the judiciary separate from the executive. Stop.